This is banana nut bread. I'm going to put the ingredients down below. This is the dry side. And this is like a double recipe. These walnuts already mushed up. I just put them in the package, left them in the package, and give them a pinch. So, I'm going to add the walnuts now. So the flour's in here, the baking soda, and I use brown sugar instead of white granulated sugar. I usually use shredded almonds in this, but just happen to have walnuts available, so I got those. I do like the shredded almonds, so we're gonna make this is it's a double recipe, so that's why I picked this tub. I usually use that green bowl, but it's just too hard to match. It really gets full. So I'll put the ingredients down below this video. And next, these bananas are really ripe. You use them up till they really start to mold. So these are the smaller bananas, so I added two extra bananas because these ones are small. So, and I'm using smaller pans than I usually do, so I lowered the temperature in it's usually around 350, but yeah, these are about just right. They really haven't turned to slime yet, so. So it has 4 bananas for the regular recipe, so it's a double, so I'm putting 8 in here plus 2. So, and I'm using this masher instead of the blender, so it kind of leaves the bananas chunky a little bit, so it ain't really whipped up. So, but you can use the beater on it, but you gotta blend in the walnuts afterwards. You don't want to chop those up too much. So, and I use some of them ask for butter. I'm using the shortening, of course. And I think you could just exchange the bananas for shredded up carrots or zucchini or whatever you want to substitute, but I just like the flavor of the bananas. That's the bananas. We're going with, since I'm doubling the recipe, we're going with 8 eggs. Eight eggs. Oh, I think I want to use this can up. Yeah, I'm going to scratch this can. There's not much left, so since I'm doubling it, I put 2 cups of shortening in here. I've done it with both. I've done butter and shortening. I got everything. So watch my kimchi. I put the cabbage in the same tub. this looks a little dry. I think I should add another couple eggs to it, maybe. Or just leave it dry. Oh no, we'll just see how it goes. Just a pretty big batch. It smells pretty good. Just mix it up. You know, it might whip up better with the beater. Okay, that's like, I don't know how I get the idea of the potato masher, but it kind of leaves bigger chunks of bananas in it. Then you don't have to worry about using the blender and chopping up the onions, or the onions, thinking of kimchi was on my mind. But this will be fine. Kind of. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll scrape the sides a little bit more. This is a double recipe, so this is a pretty big batch. I'm going to fill up. I'll show you in a minute. This is all mixed up. What the next step is I think more important than anything is this. Make sure I scrape the bottom here and get just out these corners. Some of the extra, I'm leaving anything dry in here. Okay. I am tired. My arm's tired. My back's hurting a little bit. I'm going to take a break now. So that's the ingredients all mixed together. I just want to make sure I scrape the bottom. Make sure I don't leave anything dry in there. I think I got it all. So, this is the batter. And see, it leaves it. I think it leaves a little bit more chunky bananas in there with the masher. They ain't whipped up a lot. So I'm going to take a break now and I'll come back.